Good morning, children. How are you all? Now here in which lesson we are? We are in air and water. Already we discussed about the composition of air. Isn't it? Air is a mixture of gases. Many gases are present in the air. That is oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. Many gases are present in the air. Already we have discussed about the composition of air. Isn't it? Here you will see the major part of the atmosphere consists of nitrogen, that is 78% nitrogen is present, and 21% oxygen is present. 21% oxygen is present and the other gases are present. In 1% other gases are present. Isn't it? That is carbon dioxide, water vapor, argon, dust particles. All these are present in 1%. Now you are coming to know the main components of air are, so for example now here nitrogen. Nitrogen is the major portion of the air. It contains about how many percent of nitrogen? That is 78% of nitrogen is present. That is 3/4 of the earth's surface. Atmosphere is 3/4 of the volume of the air occupies nitrogen only. 3/4, that is 78% of nitrogen only present. Isn't it? Now coming to oxygen. Coming to oxygen is vital for all the living things. Without oxygen we cannot survive. We take the air for inhaling and exhaling, isn't it? We take the air. The air which you takes in called inhaled air. The air which you gives out is called exhaled air. Inhale and exhale. Taking in oxygen is called inhalation. Exhaled air is called, the air which you gives out is called exhaled air, isn't it? So inhaled air is oxygen. Inhaled air is oxygen. And the air which you gives out is carbon dioxide. The air which you gives out is carbon dioxide, isn't it? So oxygen is very important. Oxygen is very important during the process of breathing. We take oxygen. Oxygen is very important for living things. Plants gives out the oxygen. That oxygen fresh the air, isn't it? So here oxygen is needed even for burning the things. Without oxygen the things will not burn. Oxygen helps in burning the things. Now next coming to carbon dioxide and other gases. Carbon dioxide and other gases. Carbon dioxide and other gases are present in very small percentage. They are present in very small. These are the small components of air. Major component of air is nitrogen. Next oxygen. Then these are the gases, carbon dioxide and other gases are present in small proportion only. So animals release the carbon dioxide during exhalation. This carbon dioxide is used by the plants for photosynthesis, isn't it? For photosynthesis they use this carbon dioxide. We release the carbon dioxide. We gives out the carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is used by the plants for making food. Next coming to smoke and dust. Smoke and dust. Have you ever seen the beam of light coming out of the slit hole from your windows, isn't it? Have you seen beam of light which comes out? That beam of light, have you seen the dust particles will travel in that beam of light, isn't it? The tiny particles floating in the beam of sunlight, isn't it? This shows that air contains even dust particles also. Even dust particles also present in the air. Even the dust particles present in the air. So you have seen this. These are the components of air: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and dust particles. These are the components of air. So major portion of the air contains nitrogen, that is 78%, oxygen is present 21%. Isn't it? We take oxygen and we gives out carbon dioxide. During inhalation we take oxygen and during exhalation we gives out carbon dioxide. Inhalation taking in air, exhalation giving out air. Isn't it? So and other gases are present in small quantities. Isn't it? Carbon dioxide and other gases. Carbon dioxide is released during exhalation by the animals, human beings, isn't it? That carbon dioxide is used by the plants for making food. That process is called photosynthesis. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.